Okay. We're still stuck in this fucking blizzard.
Why in your videos you always begin with okay?
I do?
Okay.
I think he's making fun of me. Okay. Ready? Cut. Ready?
What?
Now we're on. I start over. Go.
Where?
How would you start a video?
I don't know.
I'm waiting. Okay. So. Alright, we are in the middle of a blizzard. A real blizzard. It's snowing like crazy. And Bruno is the only one on the side of the road. Ha! We're in Kansas on the Turnpike. And we have 166 more miles to go to Oklahoma City. Did you hear that?
How long did it take?
Well, considering we're driving 20 miles an hour, it's gonna take us for fucking ever. But I think we'll be able to speed up soon.
Huh?
I think we'll be able to speed up in a little while. But I just wanted everyone to know how great of a driver Bruno is. He has not killed us yet. So, good job, Brazilian, for driving in the snow. And Kyrus is still sleeping. I'm sure she has to pee soon. Alright. This is going to be a great trip. We're kind of almost to Texas. We'll probably be there by midnight. At this rate. Okay, bye.